Hey everybody, Arturo Johnson. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the 5 AI tools that you can use to get life insurance clients. So if you're tired of buying bad leads and spending time on the phone dialing, hoping just that anybody will pick up, well, let's face it, this approach is such a grind. It's exhausting and it's just not the most efficient way to do work. But guess what? It doesn't have to be that way. What if I told you that there was a smarter way for you to get high intent, high quality clients without doing all the heavy lifting? If you were able to use tools that could help you to find the right clients so that you could talk to them at the right time with the right opportunity that was excited to buy what you had to offer. And this is why we use the AI powered tools and, more importantly, artificial intelligence. So stick with me, because by the end of this video, I promise you I'm going to show you the exact tools that you can use to fill your calendar and eliminate all white space so that you have no more cold calling, no more dead end leads, no more buying leads from lead vendors, just having real conversation with prospects, filling your calendar who are ready to buy. So let's dive right in. Now, let's just get right to it. If you're a life insurance agent, you already know that finding clients today is tough. There's a lot of competition and you're kind of a commodity. The competition is fierce, the market is crowded, and traditional methods, well, they just aren't cutting it anymore. Maybe you try buying leads only to find out that you've been passed around like yesterday's news. Or maybe you spent thousands on ads trying to convert your own leads, never ending just leading to being frustrated and wondering if you did something wrong. Well, you're not alone, because the truth is agents are still playing by the old rules, and the rules that used to work don't apply anymore. This is a fast-paced digital world, and here's the thing. You don't have to keep doing things the hard way. There's a better way, a more efficient way, a way that is smarter and not harder, a way that allows you to reach the right people at the right time with the right message. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that with these 5 powerful AI tools that will change the game for you. Now, this isn't just some gimmicks or some tech jargon. These are the actual tools that I've used and that I've helped use to grow my clients' business to over $100 million of issue pay business. Now, here's why you should listen to me and who I am. So before we kind of jump into the details, let me just introduce myself. My name is Arturo Johnson, and I've helped over the past 5 years, 1,200 life insurance agents and advisors to have extraordinary and exemplary results to the tune of $100 million in issue pay business. And I've done this with a system that leverages AI to generate high quality leads, more importantly, to book quality appointments, to reduce no-shows, and ultimately to help agents to grow their business. Now, the challenges that they are facing were probably like the ones that my clients had. Feeling stuck, chasing leads that don't go anywhere, or doing things that you hate, like most businesses try to do in order to stay afloat. And that's why we created an AI-powered lead generation client acquisition system that actually helps agents to have a predictable process to take a stranger from a paying client in one single 45-minute phone call. So here's what you need to know. Once you implement a system like this, there's no more cold calling, no more low quality leads, no more just kind of feeling like you're spinning your wheels. And so in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how, if you're struggling on the hamster wheel, where you can turn this bus around and start enjoying your business again. So if you're ready to learn, grab a pen and a piece of paper. Let's jump right in. So the first thing you want to do is you want to build a personal brand. So first of all, you want to start using social media. Now, I know what you may be thinking. I'm not going to be dancing on TikTok. Social media, right? Well, here's what you need to understand. If you've been growing your business by word of mouth, social media is word of mouth on steroids. And we're not talking about making random posts. This is talking strategically about building a personal brand that makes people want to see you as the trusted agent or advisor. So why does this matter? Because people buy from people who they know, they like, and they trust. And there's no better way than to build trust by showing up consistently on social media with valuable content that speaks directly to them and solves their problems. So here's exactly how you can do that. Number one is you share your knowledge. You post tips, tricks, and insights about life insurance. Then you want to ask questions from time to time to get feedback from your clients. You really just want to be seen as the expert in your field. Now, this is probably another one that most people don't do, is you want to be yourself. You want to show up uniquely and authentically as yourself so that people can see that you're a person and not a real human and not just a salesperson. So you want to create things, but you actually just want to be yourself, because when people see the true side of you, they actually want to come and work with you. Now, here's the kicker. The more you share with people, the more authority that you will build. They'll start coming to you for questions instead of the other way around. You won't be chasing people. You won't be begging people. You'll have a steady stream of organic clients that come to you that's more effective and efficient than just relying on referrals. Then the next thing you want to do is you want to use some type of form of paid advertising. And we're not just talking about any paid ads, because if you just go on YouTube and slap up an image ad, it's probably not going to work. Most agents are throwing money out the window and just, hoping that spaghetti sticks to the wall or something like this. They get to the office, they get down on one knee, and they pray to God that the ad that they just saw in the Facebook ad library is going to work really well. But what you need to have a sniper rifle that uses AI to find the people who are ready to buy now. So they're in your market, they're looking for answers, and they're ready to make a decision, more importantly. So this is going to keep you from wasting money on cold dead leads for people who have no idea who you are, they have no interest in what you offer, and they're not even willing to have a conversation, because this is going to have you incurring costs that you don't need. So imagine having a fishing pond where all the fish in that pond are practically jumping in a boat. When you use AI, this is exactly what happens. So the next thing you want to do is you want to use AI to find people who are specifically looking for what it is that you do. So what we do is we use AI data that has found people that are looking for either IULs, annuities, mortgage protection, or final expense within the past 48 hours, and we bump into them on a social media platform. What this allows you to do is to not rely on the Facebook algorithm, because we know since the iOS 14 updates, it just doesn't work as well as it used to. So when people think that they're playing the same game, they're just hoping that the algorithm will actually give them clients, and that's why it's not working. But instead, what you need to do is you need to use AI targeted data lists to find your ideal clients. Okay. So speaking of data lists, this is the next thing. It's the game changer, is that you want to imagine that you got a list of people that have looked for insurance in the past 48 hours. These people were actively looking for something. So when you bump into them on another social media platform, guess what? They're hot, they're ready, they're willing, and they're open to you reaching out to them. So just think about it. No more wasting time chasing down cold leads or wasting time for people who aren't interested. You got a data list of people that you can retarget on social medias that makes it high intent, the high engagement, and high curiosity. They're searching, they're curious, and more importantly, they're ready to buy. Now, here's the best part. AI constantly updates these lists so that you know exactly where your next lead and appointment is going to come from. So here's how to use these. You want to identify hot leads. You want to get updates on this stuff every single day for your life insurance business. Then you want to reach out to people who are actually looking and ready to buy right now. You want to personalize outreach, and you want to use social media to post content and then retarget these people so that you can show up as the known expert in your field. Now, the name of the game has changed. No longer can you just get leads and sit on them and wait till you get them all to call them. The name of the game right now is speed to lead. So what that means is, as soon as a lead comes in, within the first 5 minutes, you need to call them, text them, email them, and follow up with them, because now the competition is so high online that everybody's marketing. So the next thing you want to do is you want to automate your sales process using an AI powered CRM. So a client relationship management system isn't just any CRM. You need to have an AI powered one that emails, texts, follows, dials, calls. It does all of these things. And so when you do that, it allows you to have more throughput. It allows you to have an omnipresence, but it also allows for you to stay connected with your ideal customers, because again, the name of the game is speed to lead. So what you want to do is you want to use AI to create these campaigns to make personalized messages that reach out to people so that they stay top of mind. So when you actually do call them, they've got a text message, they've already watched some videos, and they already know your voice from seeing you on social media, so that it makes the resistance a lot lower than normal. When you do this, you're going to have people that are willing to book on your calendar. You're going to have a huge, robust pipeline full of ideal clients that are ready to respond and to react. And you're only going to have to reach out to them one time, which is going to make your contact ratio higher, then ultimately that's going to make you book more appointments. That's going to lead to you making more sales. So here's the best part about all of this. When you work with us, we actually set all this stuff up for you, and we give you a free CRM. That's right. We build this entire system out for you so that you can focus on what matters, which is closing more deals. And that's the power of a supercharged CRM. The next thing you want to do is you want to have an AI powered dialer uses the local area code of the lead that you're speaking with, which this is going to increase your contact ratio by 20 to 30%. So the more people that you connect with is going to lead to more appointments. It's ultimately going to lead to more sales. And what it does is it uses a local presence. So just think about it. How many times have you ignored a call from an unknown number, right? Especially if it looks like it's somebody from out of state. Well, with this AI powered tool, more people will answer your calls, which means you're going to have more conversations, which is going to lead to more opportunities, which is ultimately going to lead to what you want, which is more sales. And so when you use this feature, it makes it look like you're calling from the exact same area that the lead is in, right? It's a small tweak, but it has a huge impact on your pickup rates. And when you use an AI powered dialer with a local presence, it provides you with an increased call performance so that you know exactly when to call, how often to call, and when to take the next call. This removes all the guesswork from all the outreach that you need to do when you add this to your AI powered system. And this helps you to focus on talking to the most hot and potential leads. The next thing you want to do is you want to have automated sequences that trigger when people don't answer. This will ensure that you stay top of mind and focusing on keeping your pipeline managed effectively. This isn't a tool, it's actually a game changer. It helps you to stay in front of your prospects. It helps you to get to the leads faster. And it ultimately helps you to get the response that you're looking for so that you can do what you do best, which is make more sales. So here at Arturo Johnson Consulting, we set all this stuff up for you. We give you an AI growth infrastructure so that you don't have to even do any of this stuff or go through any of the guesswork testing and trying out all of these things. We've been doing this for the past 7 years and we've got it all figured out. We got the data, we got the tracking, we got the campaigns, but more importantly, we have the insights from doing this and spending over $100,000 to $200,000 a month in our own business. So we're just going to hand those things over to you when you work and partner with us for your AI growth infrastructure. So I hope this was helpful. If you're tired of chasing leads that are bad, if you're tired of doing the same old things that don't work, if you're ready to transform your business, if you implement this AI powered lead generation system, because now is the time to act. Don't wait till you go into the holidays without a system in place so that you're missing out on opportunities and you continue to catch me after the holidays. Seize this opportunity now. Install a client acquisition system in your business so that you can start booking more appointments and ultimately closing more sales. If you like our help with this, go ahead, click the link below. I created a 10-minute video that shows you exactly how to do this, and I'll walk you through the exact process, the tools, the tips, and the tactics step by step. That's it. I'll see you in another video.